Welcome. I will start the session about .NET Core CLI, so hopefully you are here for that session. My name is Myra Wenzel, and I'm a senior content developer at the .NET team. So I'm the lead writer for .NET Framework, .NET Core. So just so I have an idea, how many people here have developed .NET Core apps before? Okay, so half of you. Okay, so here's the agenda. I have 20 minutes and a lot to cover, but this is what I plan to do. So jumping to right, so what is the CLI? So CLI stands for Command Line Interface. And so it's the tooling that comes with the SDK. It allows you to build, test, and publish your .NET Core apps. So as I said, it comes with the SDK, it's part of the SDK. For people that are Visual Studio users, the SDK installation is kind of a transparent installation. So when you choose the workload that you want to use, you get the SDK with it. It's cross-platform. You can run on Windows, Linux, and macOS. It's open source. So the old repo used to be .NET CLI, but they're doing a big project where they're moving repos around. So go to .NET CLI to check on that. And you can have side-by-side SDK installed. So you can have multiple versions of the SDK installed in your machine. And you have multi-language support. So you can have C#, VB, and F# projects depending on what kind of template you decide to use. So let's jump into and see what the .NET CLI commands look like. And it's really hard to type and hold the mic. OK, so all the .NET CLI commands start with the keyword .NET. And one of the helpful ways that you can get started is just doing --help or -h, which will provide you the help for the .NET CLI. So then, if you look at, the .NET can be used to run an application or run SDK commands. And so one of the helpful options for you to see which SDKs you have installed is to do .NET list SDKs. And then it will show all the versions you have installed. So in this case, I have some stable versions and some preview versions installed. And you also have the option to execute the .NET Core app passing the DLL. So in .NET Core, it's kind of different where the default is to build a DLL for you to execute. But with 3.0, they added the option for you to build an executable. OK. You also have the option to do .NET list runtimes as well. And so that will show all the runtimes you have available on your machine. One not as known command is .NET help. And then you type the name of the command you're looking for, help. And so let's say .NET help build. And that should open. Let me grab the tabs. It's the opposite view. So it opens the page on docs.microsoft.com that has more information about that command and examples of how to use it. So let's create a quick app. So I will create a solution folder. And then I'll use .NET New. So .NET New is the command for you to create new apps. So let's do .NET New help and see what we have. So it comes pre-installed with a lot of templates. And in 3.0, we added a bunch of new desktop apps templates. And then when you do -help, you can see what template is available for which language. And so you can see that for some of The WPF, WinForms, and some of the web ones, they are C# only. So let's create a console app. And I'll output to something called Hello World, so very simple. Okay, and I'll open Visual Studio Code to see what that looks like. So here you created your project. With the .NET Core app, now the CSproj file is much more readable, so you can kind of understand and make modifications even manually if you need. Or if you're using Visual Studio, you can use properties and things like that. On Visual Studio Code, you can also build and debug with the interface. And here's the template for a basic console application on .NET Core. And so you can do debug once you install the dependencies, or you can even do run from the terminal the same CLI commands. So let's do here. OK, so .NET build restores any dependencies that your project might have. And then .NET run is how you can run your application on a developer machine. So you don't use .NET run for production. So here we have our application running. If you're a Visual Studio user, you can also create solutions using .NET New. So if you do .NET New SLN, would create a new solution file. So here's my solution. But right now, it's empty. So we need to add that project we created into the solution. So .NET SLN add would add that project, so we can do hello world. Okay, so now that solution has the project inside. Another common one would be .NET add package, and then the name of the NuGet package that you're interested in using in your project. And we also have .NET Pack, which creates a NuGet package from your project, and .NET Publish, which would prepare your application for deployment. So SDK version selection with using global.json. So that's something that sometimes causes a little bit of confusion, so I wanted to cover. So before this was known as SDK pinning, you would create a global.json file, and you would specify the version like you have here. And so when you run any CLI command, the SDK will try to find that specific version on your machine. Or if it was not found, it would try to find a patch version of that same version you specified. It would always grab the latest if you don't have it. And this global.json file can be anywhere in your project structure. So it can be on the root of your project, can be the root of your machine, and you can set that as needed. So here it says that you can do .NET New global.json to create a template. And the other thing that you can do is when you're doing .NET New, the template match is not, it's a partial match, so you can just do .NET New Global, for example, and you would create the global.json for you as well. So in 3.0, they also added 2 new properties for the JSON file. So before it was only version. Now we also can say if it allows pre-release. Because before, if pre-release was the greatest, you would use the pre-release. You would use the preview version. So now you can say, no, I don't care about previews. I want just production stable versions. And then we also have new roll forward policies. So the way that global.json thinks about versions, so you have the SDK version broken down as major, minor, feature, band, and patch, so X, Y, Z, and NN. So then you have these different modalities here. So you have two bands here. So one is the patch, feature, minor, major, which finds the nearest version within that limit. So it keeps trying to find, if you don't have this SDK you specify in global.json, it goes and tries to roll forward until it finds a match. And so if you say patch, it stops just at patch. If it says feature, then it keeps going to feature. And then the latest is the opposite. It tries to get the highest patch of the highest version. So it can skip many versions and find the latest you have installed, stopping at the point you specify. Or you can just disable the roll forward and say, I want just that version. Where you can, like if you want maybe deterministic builds, that would be a good option. Okay, so some examples here. So here I have the version 3.0.100, which is the default version for the 3.0 SDK. And then I say roll forward latest major. So it grabs the latest version that you have installed on your machine. And it's like, and it considers anything above that. The other one is the exact version, as I discussed. So like roll forward, disable uses that specific version. And then no previews. You don't have to specify a version, but you can. But then you say allow pre-release false, and then you won't use preview versions if you have installed. So that can be good if you have a machine that you have multiple SDKs, and then you want to control what version you're going to use. The other roll forward update that we have is for the runtime. So now you can opt in for a major roll forward as well. Before it was just minor. And so you can roll forward on the major version via environment variable, via the CLI, or via the config file. And so for the runtime, then it breaks down the version like this, major, minor, patch. And then it's similar to the global.json logic, but it has just less options. But it's the nearest or the latest versions. Or you can disable roll forward. So let me show you an example of what that could look like. So let's say here that I change this to 1.1, and I don't have that version on my machine. So I will build and then when I try to run, sorry. Let's try again. So .NET build, and then .NET run. So you'll tell me you don't have that version available on your machine. I don't have actually 1.1. So what I can do is I can run, when I use .NET to execute the DLL, I can pass the roll forward option, for example. Let's say major. And then the path to And then here you can run again. So you can control your environment and make sure that you can continue to run the app even if you don't have the specific target version of your project. Okay, so tab completion. So tab completion has been available since .NET Core 2.0 SDK, but it's a little bit unknown still. So we're trying to spread the word about this feature. It uses .NET Complete behind the scenes. So it's a little command that you can test it out, what it would look like. So if I say .NET Complete A, then it's like what matches the letter A and what would be the options. But it needs to be configured. It's not on by default. So because it's unique to each shell, you need to configure for your specific shell. So if you go to this URL, which is on docs, aka.ms tab completion, you will find instructions for PowerShell, Bash, and ZSH. And I'll show you what it looks like. So I have my profile here, and I have it set up for running for running scripts. So I allow scripts for my PowerShell, and then I do profile, and I copy and paste it exactly what we had. I copy and paste exactly what we have on docs for PowerShell. And what that looks like is that when you're typing, so here on Visual Studio Code, I'm also on PowerShell, is that like if I type A in tab, it will find the first option for like add. And then if I keep tabbing here, it will find what are the options for that particular command. So I can say .NET help and so it's just to help you to type less. And for when you're dealing with packages as well, it can also find the name of packages from NuGet. So if I type, sometimes it might be faster to type, but if I type Newton and keep tabbing, you will find the different packages that are on NuGet that match that name. This is something for you to try out and see if it helps. Okay, template search. It's also a new feature in 3.0. So when you do .NET New, usually people will have the pre-installed templates that come with the SDK, but you can also, but now you will also search for templates from NuGet if you cannot find a match. So, or it will also prompt you to update if there is a newer version of the template on NuGet. So let me show you what that looks like. So let's say I want to do .NET New Giraffe, which is a web template. And so it tells me that I don't have any templates installed with that name, but it found one on NuGet. And so now I can repeat the same command. And now it will create my giraffe template. If I have installed something older and then they ship a new version, so let me uninstall that template giraffe. So let's say that I had 19 installed instead. And then I do .NET New Giraffe. So I need to force to override what I created before, but it will tell me as well that I have an update to install, and then you can just update and run again, and then the warning would go away. Okay, so you do .NET new and then the full template name or partial name, and you should bring it up. And so you can also, if there are multiple matches, it will list. It will list all the templates that match that name, and then you can install and use those templates. And then our last subject for today, it goes so fast. So it's .NET Core tools. It's usually referred to global tools, local tools. So they are basically console apps that are published on NuGet as NuGet packages, so you can download and use it. It is installed with the CLI command .NET tool install, and then you pass the package name. And then you have a few different options on how to install. So you can install for the current using with --global in a specific directory with --to path, or the default mode now 4.3.0, which is new, is the local tool. And it's for your project or solution. And so for local tools, you need a manifest file on your solution or your repo root. You can specify a specific version of the tool you want to use. You can check into your source control, and then when you clone the repo, you can do .NET tool restore and use that local tool on your machine. And so here, let's go back to PowerShell. So I'll make quick. So I'll say .NET tool install, and then you pass the package name. So in this case, I'll use .NET Say, which is a quick demo of global and local tools. When I try that, it's telling me that I either have to say global because I don't have a manifest file yet, or I can do .NET new and create a new manifest. So now that I created the manifest file, then I can install. And so just so you guys can look at what that looks like. So the manifest file will have a list of all the tools that you have installed and which version you have. Because it's a local tool, because I install it as a local tool, then to run, I also need to type .NET in front of the name of the tool. So you say .NET say, and then you can run. In this case, the demo is just, it prints the .NET bot. But you can have many different tools. And I have a page. We have a page on Docs where we talk about global tools that has a list of many tools that are being developed. NuGet right now doesn't have a good search for those, but the team is thinking about how to improve that experience. So that was it. I think I'm running out of time. But if anyone has quick questions, feel free to ping me on Twitter, or I can also take questions on the side and talk to you guys. And I'll be on the booth as well during the week on the .NET booth at the Architecture Center. Thank you.